Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Altaf. Today, we are going to share something very close to our hearts. In this video, we will tell you how learning English changed our lives and how we want to inspire others through our journey.
Yes, friends. This video is not just about grammar or vocabulary. Today, we are talking about real stories. Stories that will motivate you to start or continue your English journey with confidence and hope.
Let me begin by telling you a little about myself. I come from a small town where English was not spoken much. In school, I always felt nervous when English was being taught. I used to avoid speaking in front of others because I was afraid of making mistakes.
That sounds very familiar, Annie. I also come from a background where English was not used in everyday life. I remember feeling embarrassed when I couldn't pronounce certain words. I would hide behind my classmates and pray the teacher wouldn't ask me to read.
Yes, and that fear stayed with me for years. But one day I realized that if I don't try, I will never improve. So I started small. I began speaking to myself in the mirror. I watched English cartoons and tried to repeat the dialogues. I started keeping a small diary where I would write 2 or 3 lines in English every day.
That's really inspiring, Annie. For me, my turning point came when I wanted to apply for a job that required basic English speaking. I didn't want to lose the opportunity, so I pushed myself. I started listening to English podcasts and watching English learning channels. I also joined a WhatsApp group where people practiced English together. I made mistakes, but I kept going.
And I believe that's the secret. Keep going. Don't stop. Don't be afraid of being judged. Everyone makes mistakes when they're learning something new. You just have to believe in yourself and take one step at a time.
Exactly. I remember the first time I introduced myself in English during a group meeting. My hands were shaking, but I did it. And the moment I finished, everyone clapped. That moment gave me confidence. It showed me that even if my English wasn't perfect, people respected my effort.
That's the beauty of learning a language. It's not about being perfect. It's about expressing yourself. And when people see your dedication, they get inspired. Today, many of my friends have started learning English because they saw my progress.
Same here. My younger cousins now come to me for tips. They ask me how I improved, and I always tell them start small, stay consistent, and don't stop.
I also think it's important to have someone to talk to. Practice with a friend, a family member, or even online. Speak slowly and don't worry about using big words. Use simple English. The goal is to communicate, not to impress.
Very true. I also started by learning daily routine sentences. I am going to the market. I am cooking food. I like watching TV. These small sentences help me become comfortable with English.
And now, look at us. We are here, speaking to all of you in English, sharing our stories. We are not native speakers. We still make mistakes sometimes. But we are confident now. We are not afraid anymore.
And that's what we want you to feel. Confidence. You don't need to be perfect to inspire others. You just need to show your efforts. Someone out there is watching you and learning from you. You may not realize it, but your journey can change someone's life.
Yes, I have seen people cry when they finally speak a full sentence in English for the first time. That's how powerful this journey can be. Learning English is not just about the language. It's about building your personality, your courage, and your dreams.
And friends, remember this. Everyone has a different journey. Don't compare yourself to others. Go at your own pace, but go forward. Whether you are a student, a parent, a shopkeeper, or anyone, English can open new doors for you.
And when you grow, help others grow too. Share what you learn. Teach your siblings, your children, your neighbors. Let your story inspire others. That's how we build a strong, confident community.
Annie, I must say, your story is very touching and full of lessons. Thank you for sharing it.
Thank you, Altaf. And your story also gives hope to so many people. You have shown that hard work and consistency always pay off.
Before we end this video, let's quickly repeat what we've learned today. We shared our personal stories of learning English. We talked about our fears, our struggles, and how we overcame them. We discussed the importance of taking small steps, practicing daily, and staying confident.
And most importantly, we learned that everyone can inspire others. Your English journey can be the light someone else is looking for. Never be ashamed of learning. Be proud of your efforts and keep going.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If our stories helped you or motivated you, let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English with Altaf for more helpful and inspiring content.
We'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep inspiring. Goodbye.
Goodbye and take care.